No clear direction in markets today, with bulls and bears fighting for control. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for July 30th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.15, gaining 0.84% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. The move in the dollar reflects reports that RBI Forex measures bring in nearly $32 billion. Governor says rupee is undervalued, liquid blog. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, gaining 0.55% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. The move in the dollar reflects reports that analysts have blunt response to Dave Ramsey's dumb Bitcoin comment. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 163.86, gaining 0% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street closes down sharply after Fed holds rates unchanged. USD SGD is trading at 0.7738, gaining 0% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6950, losing 0.53% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. The move in the dollar reflects reports that RBI Forex measures bring in nearly $32 billion. Governor says rupee is undervalued, liquid blog. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1481, gaining 0.17% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. The move in the dollar reflects reports that analysts have blunt response to Dave Ramsey's dumb Bitcoin comment. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.64, losing 0.14% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street closes down sharply after Fed holds rates unchanged. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that oil prices rise after US blocs surprise attack from Iran. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street closes down sharply after Fed holds rates unchanged. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. The move in the dollar reflects reports that RBI Forex measures bring in nearly $32 billion. Governor says rupee is undervalued, liquid blog. The move in the dollar reflects reports that analysts have blunt response to Dave Ramsey's dumb Bitcoin comment. Our near-term view on euro to US dollar. With euro to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $1.18 level above and $1.12 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.